Welcome back to our series on spotting crypto scams. In part 1, we covered promises of guaranteed high returns and high-pressure sales tactics. If you missed that, be sure to check it out. Today, we're diving even deeper into the red flags that can save you from losing your hard-earned money. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about unverified platforms and wallet requests. This is a huge one. A major red flag is when someone asks you to send your crypto directly to their personal wallet address. Legitimate exchanges and investment platforms have official, verified deposit addresses. If a so-called investment manager or trader gives you a personal wallet address and promises to trade on your behalf, you should run the other way. Your funds will likely disappear forever. Another critical point: never, ever share your private keys or your seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase. Think of your private keys as the password to your bank account, but even more sensitive. Your recovery phrase is the master key to all your crypto. Anyone who has it has complete control over your funds. Scammers will come up with all sorts of clever excuses to get this information. They might say they need it to verify your wallet, sync your account, or help you with a technical issue. No legitimate company, developer, or support agent will ever ask for your private keys or recovery phrase. If they do, it's a scam 100% of the time. You also need to be wary of fake apps and websites. Scammers are incredibly skilled at creating clones that look almost identical to popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Crypto.com. They might change one or two letters in the URL, or create a fake app that looks just like the real one on the App Store. You might log in, deposit your funds, and then find yourself locked out. Always double-check the website URL before entering any information. Make sure it has the little padlock icon and says HTTPS. For apps, download them only from the official links on the company's website. Don't trust links sent to you through email or social media. Next, let's discuss fake endorsements and social proof. Scammers know that trust is a powerful tool, so they create the illusion of it. They'll often claim their project is backed by famous celebrities like Elon Musk or major companies like Google or Amazon. But if you look for official announcements from these people or companies, you'll find nothing. They might even use deepfake videos or doctored images to make it look like a celebrity is promoting their coin. Always seek independent verification. If a big name is truly backing a project, it will be all over the news from reputable sources. Another tactic is using fake testimonials and social proof. You might see a project's social media page flooded with positive comments. But if you look closely, you'll notice that many of these accounts are bots. They have generic usernames, no profile pictures, and post similar, repetitive comments like, "to the moon," or "best project ever." Scammers can buy thousands of fake followers and comments to make their project seem more popular than it is. They will also create fake review websites or copy-paste positive reviews from other, unrelated services. Always be skeptical of overwhelmingly positive, generic praise. And of course, there are the edited screenshots showing fake profits. A scammer will send you a picture of their trading account with massive gains, trying to convince you that they have a secret formula for success. It's incredibly easy to edit these images using simple photo editing software. They want to trigger your fear of missing out, making you think you're passing up a golden opportunity. Ask yourself, if someone really found a way to make guaranteed millions, why would they be sharing it with strangers on the internet instead of quietly enjoying their wealth? The answer is, they wouldn't. A huge red flag lies in the project's documentation or lack thereof. Every legitimate crypto project has a detailed white paper. This document explains the project's goals, the technology behind it, the problem it solves, and its tokenomics. Scammers, on the other hand, are lazy. They often have poorly written white papers filled with vague buzzwords and technical jargon that doesn't actually mean anything. Or worse, they'll just copy and paste entire sections from other successful projects' white papers. You can easily check for plagiarism by copying a few sentences from the white paper and pasting them into a search engine. If you find the exact same text in another project's document, you've found a scam. A project with no white paper at all is an even bigger red flag. It shows a complete lack of transparency and planning. Staying safe in the crypto space is all about being vigilant and doing your own research. By watching out for these red flags, unverified wallet requests, fake endorsements, and poor documentation, you're adding powerful tools to your defense against scammers. Thanks for watching part 2 of our series. I hope these tips help you navigate the crypto world more safely. In our next and final video, we'll cover even more advanced scam techniques and how to protect yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Stay safe out there.